I'm Autumn from Dillon's RV Center, and today I'm going to show you all around a 2018 Hymer Aktiv. The Hymer brand has European roots, and its European design makes it stand out from its competition. It's built on a Dodge chassis with 260 foot-pounds of torque. It has 280 horsepower engine with an automatic 6-speed transmission. The wheels are 16-inch aluminum polish for durability. The exterior paint job is complete in a bright white color. Around back, it features a hitch for towing that can tow up to 3,500 pounds. Now, if you want to come with me to the inside, you'll notice it opens just like a regular van from the side. We are now on the inside of this coach, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. The cab of this unit is built much like a minivan. It has a built-in radio and entertainment system, complete with GPS and rear view and side view cameras. The front and the co-pilot seats swivel around, just like the one that's shown, so that they can be part of the dining room. This is a European design, and many of its North American competitors do not have this feature yet. You waste zero time going from sleep to dining area, and right above is a flat screen TV. You'll notice there's so much storage space, such as this cabinet that you can hide or leave open. The wet bath is very small, but it can be transformed for many different functions. So you can see right now that the sink is folded up, but if you press the knob in, it will fold down, and you can even keep your bar soap stored right back there at all times. The mirrored medicine cabinet will open. You just have to lightly press and pull on it. This area might appear very small, but that's really great actually, because you can stand in one spot and be a full range chef. The sink has a cover over it, so you can use every inch of counter space available. The products are stainless steel, even the microwave. It comes with a 2-burner propane cooktop and a beautiful small refrigerator with a built-in freezer. How cute! Now the bedroom. As you can see, the bed can fold up for more space. It has so much storage under the bed. You'll never have to worry about where to keep your clothes or your personal belongings while you're on the road. And look how cool this is. So much space under there, and it's hands-free. Now to put the bed down. As you can see, located right here on the wall, there's a button that you press in. Once you have it pressed in, it will release the bed. Ooh. It's nice and light. I'm doing it all with one hand, and I'm very small, so obviously it's not heavy if you can see me lifting it with ease. And then your mattress is just in some pieces. I know that sounds terrible, but it's like the Boost dinettes almost. And then you just slide them into their spots. This one unfolds. And as you can see, I now have the bed fully out. One of my favorite features of this unit is, if you notice the doors behind me and all the windows, they all have screens built in. So you can open the doors and the windows and have a nice breeze come in without having to worry about any bugs or insects getting in and biting you while you're sleeping. Also, there's tons of overhead storage, very easily accessible right here in the bedroom, and it's even on both sides. There's a slide curtain for privacy, so you don't have to worry about people looking in while you're sleeping. And all of the windows even feature window covers for even more privacy as well. If you notice, the sunroof even has a screen built in and additional privacy shade to keep it dark for sleeping. Look at our extensive line of inventory. Come to Dillon's RV Center today to find out why we're the #1 RV dealer in the Northeast. I'm Autumn. Have a great day.